Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I am doing a collab with J Dolls UK, Beth Ramsden, and Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. We started this last year, believe it or not. We each have the same pattern, and in honor of the premiere of Wednesday coming out on Netflix, we were each making this dress that Morticia always wore, that type of dress, and that Wednesday in the, what were the first movies Darren wore to her uncle's wedding?
Addams Family?
Yeah, the Addams Family something, I think it was. Anyway, now Morticia had 8 octopus tentacles at the bottom of her dress, and I think that Wednesday did in her dress like this too. I have done that with this pattern. Of course, I couldn't find it, but what I did was I just cut this and I went over it with fray check. So here's what I did. I wanted something whimsical. We actually did this last year, and this is the dress I made for it with spider webs. I took a Barbie simplicity pattern. I made, well, several tweaks and made this little mermaid. These were real popular, what was it, 30s? Or they were popular in the 40s, but I think in the 30s, the nightclub singers were wearing these dresses, and they were tight. Morticia Addams had a dress like this with octopus, what do you call them, tentacles? At the bottom. And did you know, little trivia, they actually sewed that dress on her every day, and when she had to go to the bathroom, it was a big deal on set. So this year I wanted something a little different yet whimsical, and let me show you what I did. I did this in a bone print and added skulls. I did 8 little skulls around the dress bottom in honor of the octopus. Let me turn these. The octopus tentacles, and I really like it. I think it's very whimsical, but it needed a purse. So I made this little purse with the skull, and there she is. And Wednesday premieres August 6th on Netflix, and I will be watching it. I think they're only doing half of this series, and then they're going to do a half release in September. But that is my dress, and I am looking so in the stand, it can't be all the way out. So let me show you that. I'm looking forward to seeing Beth Ramsden's Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley and J Dolls UK, whose links will be in the description. You won't want to miss their dresses. Thank you for watching. Thank you, ladies. It's always so much fun when we do collabs together. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe to each of the 4 channels. Thank you for watching.